actually really enjoy these. I enjoy spending the time. I was back here laughing. I'm just like, oh my goodness, like what did I just do? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do something fun. It's spring. I am so ready for this. I have 3 packs of color. Oh, I opened one already and this fell out. I have 3 packs of Color Street nails, and I think we're gonna do this light blue one. I feel like white is more summer vibes and the blue is more spring. So we're gonna go ahead and try some Color Street nails and see how long they last on my fingers. I'm super excited. I just trimmed my nails. I like them to be short. So let's go ahead and get into it. It'll probably just be a time lapse and a voiceover. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so sorry for this crazy audio. I'm still trying to figure this out. But once you open it up, there's everything that you need inside of it, and the instructions said to use the alcohol wipe to cleanse off your fingers and any debris or any of that stuff that you have on your fingers so they're nice and clean. And then after this, I had a nail kit that I just decided to push back my cuticles just to make it easier and so they weren't in the way of doing it. Honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing. I just thought that it was a good idea. Once I got the nails all cleaned up, I took the strips and figured out the sizing for each of my nails. So then I just had them in front of me and laid them out for the size that I need, so I wasn't searching through all the different ones, and then it was easier to put them on that way. Since the strips are a decent length, if you have longer nails, this probably won't work for you, but I tried to take one strip and split it between the 2 nails, one on each finger. And this was the hardest part, was trying not to bend or rip the strip so it would get stuck on one nail or it would completely rip. Actually, on my second thumb, it completely ripped down the middle, but I ended up putting it on my thumb anyways and just pressing it down. That's how much I'm really not picky about my nails. And going on, when you have to rip it off the first nail, you want to file it down, but when you're filing it, do not file it at an angle. It tends to take off the very tip of the nail, so when you file it, you want to make sure your file is directly straight up and down. Otherwise, you can actually see the tip of your nail, like on mine, because it looks like it chipped away when you were actually just trying to rip it off. So make sure you're paying attention to the angle of your file, and if it goes over your cuticles or on your skin, it is very easy to just dig another fingernail in there and to shape it and rip it off how you would like. You could also probably do different patterns and cut the strips or however works best for you, or you could just take the whole strip that was given and rip it off, and then you have a whole another set of the same color to use. I may end up taking the second set and just covering up my mistakes and double layering my nail polish. So those are just some tips that I have noticed after doing this video, and honestly they have looked exactly the same since filming this. They haven't budged or changed a bit. So I'm really happy with how they work. I just need to figure out how to apply them better. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and yeah. Okay, so so we got our nails on. You guys, don't look close. Just don't look at the details. Everything looks better far away. These, oh my gosh, these look like they have been worn out, and I've done the dishes like 100 times, scratched on some chalkboards, and had like a dog chew on my fingers. Like there's, oh my gosh. But look, are they cool from back here? So I don't know, like they just make it look so easy. And when you have the strips, you can use the double side. So I cut my nails pretty short, like just barely above the skin. So you can use one strip for both nails, so like one on each side. It's just, this is real nail polish and it's very easy to rip. And one of them ended up getting down by the cuticle, it like flipped over. And so instead of like, it was so sticky I couldn't unroll it and flatten it out. It's so bad. So right here, this one, it had rolled over and then it's just really bad. I guess I'll just show you guys. But like this one was like the first one that I did, and it has like the really bad cuticle part like right here. It's like cut off. But I mean, whatever. I'm not very high maintenance. I don't ever get my nails done. If I do, like I just get gel and it's like a one and done, and then I wear it till it grows like halfway out my nail. So I don't know. I really don't care enough to, I mean, I have this whole other side. If I wanted to reapply it, I could. I might just try and put these on my toenails, I guess. Because once you open them, they're done. They kind of, I think they say that it dries out and you can't really reapply them. So it's already open. So I might just apply these on my toes and you can just look at them from far away. But from far away, they don't look bad. Well, no, they do. I need someone to apply them for me. But I don't have a choice. I can't go get my nails done. My spring break vacation got canceled. Didn't get my nails done then. So this is as good as we're gonna get. So I need to practice because I have a whole nother pair to get on for summer. So if you guys would like to try your own color street nails, I will leave the description down below from the woman that I get my colors from. And she's here in Idaho. You can totally get yours from across the country because everything is online. And yeah, so I actually really enjoy these. I enjoy spending the time. I was back here laughing. I'm just like, oh my goodness, like what did I just do? So if you have some downtime, which we all do, because we're all at home, just kind of play around with your nails. You know, don't spend hundreds of dollars. These were only, I don't know, like $10. Sometimes you can find them on sale and they last a long time. I can do all the dishes. I have a dishwasher though, so I guess I can't say that. But if you guys are just so rough on your nails, these should be able to last a while. And so I'm just gonna sit here and pick at them and I don't know, just leave them alone. I like it though. I like having something on my nails. I haven't had anything on my nails probably for like 6 months. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like it and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet already. I have all kinds of videos coming for you guys. And so yeah, I hope you guys are having a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.